Sick Building Syndrome in Parramatta Innovation Engineering Hub: Causes, Impacts, and Solutions. Presented by Kushba Kamran. What is sick building syndrome? Sick building syndrome is a condition where building occupants experience acute health and comfort effects linked directly to the time spent in a specific space, but where no specific illnesses or medical causes can be identified. Symptoms typically resolve shortly after leaving the building. It was found that students experience sick building syndrome due to poor ventilation and lack of natural airflow. How can digital technology improve student well-being and awareness of environmental conditions associated with the sick building syndrome at Parramatta Engineering Innovation Hub? The methodology used were observations, journey mapping, and mirror mapping. This journey map follows a student arriving at the building. She feels tired, and then she opens the Parramatta Engineering Innovation Hub Air app. She finds screen-related study areas, moves locations, and feels more comfortable and content. A study was conducted to investigate how environmental conditions affect student comfort, concentration, and well-being. It was found that indoor study environments affect student comfort, concentration, and well-being negatively, while outdoor study environments improve their well-being and help them concentrate. Findings: students reported feeling calmer in outdoor environments. Fresh airflow improved comfort and concentration. Enclosed indoor spaces contributed to feelings of fatigue and stress, and access to healthier study environments positively impacted their well-beings. Research findings indicate that poor indoor environment conditions can negatively impact students' well-being, concentration, and academic performance. Common effects include fatigue, headaches, increased stress, respiratory discomfort, and reduced ability to focus. These issues create a learning environment that feels uncomfortable and restrictive. How can digital technology help students identify healthier study environments, improve their well-being, and reduce the impacts of sick building syndrome within the Parramatta Engineering and Innovation Hub? It was found that students frequently rely on mobile devices throughout their university experience, presenting an opportunity for a digital solution that can provide real-time information and support healthier study habits. Introducing PEIH Air, the mobile app. This was developed as a human-centered digital intervention that helps students identify healthier study spaces, monitor environment conditions, and improve their overall well-being experience. Why a digital solution? As university students regularly rely on mobile devices throughout their daily routines, a digital solution provides an accessible and practical way to support student well-being. The app translates research findings into an interactive platform that helps students identify healthier study spaces managed. The front page will entitle air quality levels, temperature levels, occupancy levels, well-being scores of everybody that is in the building, and this week's best study spot. This will be collected through data. The second page will be of the building's map. This will show a map of the entire building, color coding different areas with the level of comfort and focus it allows students to have. Daily well-being checks will be provided on the app. This is vital because mental, emotional, and social health directly dictates academic success and personal growth. Regular check-ins foster resilience, prevent at-risk youth from falling through the cracks, and help students develop the emotional awareness necessary to navigate challenges. The Fresh Air Escape feature encourages students to take breaths in healthier environments by identifying nearby outdoor seating areas, sunny study spots, green spaces, and window studies. The app will also show nearby student discounts for students to go and take a break. The next screen will be of study mode. In this feature, you can choose the duration of when you want to study, and it will lock your phone except the specific apps that you allow it to have. And the weekly insights show you your study habits and your habits this week. Once you have finished a study session, the app will show you how long you have been studying for and recharge zones available to you that you can go and access. The campus games are digital games that you can play on the app with nearby participants or by yourself.